In this video, I'll show you how to check your actual battery rated capacity in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here, scroll down a bit, then go to battery option. After that, scroll all the way down, then go to battery information. Now from here, you can check your main battery capacity, which is 5000 mAh. But if you look at the bottom, here you can see the rated capacity is 4860 mAh, which is your actual battery rated capacity, and that's it. And you can check yours from here. You can also check your battery level and charging status from here. Now if you go back and then scroll all the way down, then go to software information or about phone, then scroll down, then go to battery information, and that's it. You can also check your battery capacity from here. And that is how you can check your actual battery rated capacity in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.